I picked these blackberries yesterday. Reuben, would you like some?
Oh, no. Not for me. I have to be careful. I can't eat just anything. Get the colic. Of course, my mouth is slickering for one thing. Chen Lee's cornbread fried in a big ladle of coon meat grease.
Yes. Well, when we get back to Fort Smith, I'd like to meet Mr. Lee and get his recipe. Will we get back, Reuben? What are our chances?
Well, the odds are the same, sister. They ain't in our favor.
When you drop us off at Weber's Falls and go out after them, you will be careful, won't you, Reuben? Wolf and I care about you very much.
Well, ma'am, I don't know much about thoroughbreds, horses, or women. Them that I did know, I never liked. They're too nervous and spooky. They scare me. But you're one high-bred filly that don't. Of course, I don't know what you're talking about half the time, but that don't matter. Being around you pleases me.
Those are about the nicest words I ever heard said to me. Thank you, Reuben.
Well, Wolf, I'll spare you.
Rooster, you old fraud! Throw your guns in the water, pull that scow ashore, and keep your hands high! And don't try nothing, you'll be dead for breakfast!
That's a rattlesnake's warning, Hawk! You squat assassin!
Your scheming ain't gonna help you now, Rooster!
Don't you rely on it, Hawk. Don't you rely on it. That'll keep our heads down.
Shoot wide of them! Force them into the bank! rabbits will get him now.
No, I will.
The Lord is with us.
So's that current. If he owes you any favors, lady, now's the time to collect. Get out of the way, Wolf. All right, brace yourself. You all right, sister?
I don't know. Am I all right? I don't know. How did we do it?
Your friend must have been on the job.
I guess he must have been on the job. My God.